Some things don't need to be explained. They need to be observed a little longer. This sphere is not just a lamp. It is a field, a model, a mirror. When you look inside, you see dozens, hundreds of rays emerging from the center, searching for a path. They don't know where to go. They only know they want to flow. When I keep my distance, the rays are scattered. Each one goes somewhere else. None of them dominates. Just like a mind thinking many thoughts at once, but not truly moving anywhere. Now I bring my hands closer. I don't touch it yet. I'm just near. And the field responds. The rays strengthen. They thicken. They begin to gather. Not because I'm forcing them, but because I am present. When I place my hands on both sides, something fascinating happens. Suddenly there aren't 100 equal rays. There are a few stronger ones, and the others begin to follow them, as if the field said, "Here, this is intention." Now I use one finger, one single point, and a dominant ray appears, stronger than all the others combined. Not because the others disappear, but because they have nowhere else to go. Everything pours into one direction. This is exactly what happens in a human life. You can have 10 good things, but if there is one thought, one fear, one belief that is stronger than the rest, everything begins to revolve around it. And here comes the turning point, because the same law works in the opposite direction. If you have one clear intention, one quiet, steady, I know, one connection you hold without tension, even if there are 50 weak doubts around you, they don't stand a chance. The field absorbs them, synchronizes them, calms them. Now I use my palm, not a finger, the whole hand. And suddenly I don't see one ray, an expanded field, hundreds of contact points, pink light on the surface, speed, movement. The palm is not a tool. It is a sensor. That's why touching a tree works. That's why a handshake works. That's why closeness works. Not by force, but by reading the field. Now I move my finger along the glass, and the strongest ray follows me. It doesn't disconnect. It doesn't weaken. It simply moves. Just like a person who is connected to themselves and can change direction without losing their flow. And now imagine that the inner sphere is not just a source. It is consciousness. And the glass around it is not a barrier. It is a translator, a place where the invisible becomes visible. When the connection is clean, energy passes through. When the mind is fragmented, the rays scatter. Not because something is wrong, but because the field doesn't know where to go. Golden Bridge is not about control. It is about one clear stream held gently, and the world adjusts. Not instantly, not loudly, but exactly like these rays. True, precise,